how we edited this photo using our new Instant Edits feature. We started with Remove Object. We uploaded our photo and used our finger to mark the parts where we want to remove and then tap Save. Then, we chose the Replace Sky option. We uploaded our recent photo and then used the Erase and Apply tool to adjust the places where the sky should appear. We then played around with the sky options until we found the best one. You can also adjust the horizon placement and the blend to make sure everything blends seamlessly. We saved the photo again and opened the Fast Filters option and played around with the filters until we found the one we liked. And that's it! Use Instant Edits to edit your photo quickly and easily.